Wednesday. Happy Win, W-I-N, not W-I-N-D. And a happy Wine Day, W-I-N-E. And happy Wednesday. It is, my gosh, it's the next to the last day in this month, which means we are at the half year mark. And hopefully you all are keeping an account of, how much business you're doing, how you're doing. Seems like everything's working here. Good. We hit the 5,000 mark. Unbelievable. We have 5,038 single family homes for the first time. In a couple years, I can't remember. I guess I should check when the pandemic occurred, but I think people probably took their homes off the market. So that, maybe for a day, I don't know, but so exciting. We have 54 days of inventory. And that means we're going to maybe the market's just going to show a little bit, and we're going to get back into some realistic prices. We're going to hear Brian Buffini's bold predictions today and what Dr. Young, we're going to talk about what Dr. Young has to say. We're not going to listen to it today, but I encourage you to listen to it, and I will post it. Excuse me for that. In the group. So anyway, I did go through the report. We're going to go through that today. And we're going to talk about Instagram Reels. We have a little tip for you. So lots of exciting things today. We have 1,726 homes on the market that are in the medium price range and under. And we just listed 46 of those yesterday. We did 154 listings yesterday, which is incredible. I love that. Geez, those $1 million homes, they cut back maybe a little bit, not even enough to talk about, from 5.49 to 5.36, still 5 a day, 5.5 a day almost. So we'll see what happens there. We have been selling in June 106 homes a day. Now that's down from the year-to-date average of 123, but then we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day of the month on the 30th. A lot of homes closed, and we'll be able to see exactly what happened on Friday, because Friday is the 1st of July. So that'll be exciting, because sometimes the first starts in the weekend, and then I can't report it till Monday. But so Friday we will know how we did for the first half of the year, what the average daily sales were, and what we can possibly look forward to in the next 6 months. Let's see. The investors went down a little bit. They're less than 30% of our sales right now. So I think they're kind of maybe standing on the sidelines doing some wait and see what's going on. But we'll see, because again, the end of the month tomorrow, maybe we'll just up that number again over 30%. Love our market. Homes are still selling. You closed 87 yesterday, which is pretty terrific. And we have done 2,975 sales this month. Nothing to sneeze about. That is really awesome. What Dr. Young said is that we have more agents now, but they have less experience. And with those additional new agents, I think an additional 100,000 agents, it has lowered the average income of a real estate agent down to $33,000. It used to be up to 36. It was hedging up there at one point, just for a small interim, almost 38. But anyway, 33,000. So we have more agents, but they have less experience overall. It's reduced our average age. And because they don't have the experience, and there were so many of them, it did bring down the average income. So anyway, that's that. I don't know that means a lot, except that we have to make sure we're educating them. The other thing I wanted just to say briefly is the iBuyers, they're out there, and they're in that sweet spot for the most part of the median range homes.